Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another episode of Handy Rocks, and in this video I'm going to unbox the Tile Mat.
Now let's see what Tile is. It's a very small Bluetooth tracker that you can attach with anything that you don't want to lose. For example, with your keys or in your bag or in your wallet, wherever you want to keep it, you can just keep it. And it's always connected to your smartphone, so there is no way to lose it. And if you lose it, so you can just track it from your smartphone. And what if you lose your smartphone? You can just double tap the button on your Tile and it will ring your device immediately. There is a Tile community as well, so whenever a Tile user passes by your Tile, you will definitely get notified.
You can find it on Amazon. I will give the link in the video description, so you can just go ahead, click the link, and it will take you to the page where you can buy it from. So yeah, no more wasting time, let's unbox this. Alright guys, so as you can see here, so that's the thing that we have here. You can keep it, attach it with your keys, or you can put it in your wallet, wherever you want. So this is a really amazing product that you can get in Amazon. So yeah, let's unbox this. So we have some warranty cards and user manuals here. All right, that's the thing guys. So you can see very tiny little thing. You can attach it with your keys or you can keep it in your wallet, and very easy to find it.
The build quality, it feels really nice. I mean, nice plastic, but I don't know how long it will stay like this if you start using for a daily purpose. You can replace your battery from here when you will run out of battery. Now let's move on to your smartphone and let's see how you can connect to your Tile. So what you have to do is just search here Tile and in your Play Store, and you will get an application like this. Just need to download this and install it. So after installing it, just open it and you will see an interface like this. Just you can connect to your Facebook, or you can open your own account, and what you have to do is just turn on your Bluetooth and your location. It needs access to your Bluetooth and location both. You can see the plus icon on the left top corner of your screen. Just tap there and you will see all different brands that you can connect with this. What you want to go for is the first one, the Tile, and here you can see different versions of the Tiles are available here. So I'll go for the Tile Mat because I bought the matte one. Now here you can see you have to just press the Tile icon on your Tile and then it will connect to your device automatically. But make sure you have your location and your Bluetooth enabled in your phone. So that's it guys, that's how you can connect it. So once you're done with this, then you will see the Tile will be added here on your screen, and that's it guys. So now if you tap the Tile button twice, then your phone will ring just like this. Or if you tap on the Find option in your phone, your Tile will ring. So that's how you can connect your Tile with your phone, and that's it.
Alright guys, so that's it for today. If you enjoyed watching this video, make sure you hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe as well, because I always bring this kind of videos every week. So see you guys soon in my next video. Keep rocking.